हाय गाइस, इट्स श्रेया हियर एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल ब्यूटी एंड द कोड। आज के वीडियो में मैं आपके साथ मेरे टॉप 5 फ्रूटी फ्लोरल फ्रेग्रेंसेस लेकर आई हूँ एंड ऑल ऑफ दीज फ्रेग्रेंसेस आर फ्रॉम प्लैटिनम परफ्यूम। प्लैटिनम परफ्यूम इज एन इंस्टाग्राम स्टोर. They take orders through Instagram and WhatsApp as well. I will leave all their details in the description box. I have the 30 ml bottles and all the bottles kind of look like this. Once I take you through the perfumes, you will see the in-depth review of each of these. So the 30 ml bottles from Platinum Perfume cost for 350 rupees and the 50 ml is around 600. So I have all the 30 mls and I'm going to share my compilation of fresh fruity floral fragrances that I absolutely love. And there is a common thing around these, that these are long lasting, these are projective, the sillage is amazing, the performance is amazing, these are perfect office wear, perfect daytime wear in all seasons. So I'm not going to repeat myself through and through about these common things. Also, in case you didn't know, Platinum Perfumes create 80 to 90% dupes of designer fragrances. So the ones that I'll be sharing today is my top 5. So let's begin with the video. Before we do so, make sure कि आपने मेरे channel पे subscribe कर लिया है, you hit the bell notification and you follow me on Instagram. And now let's get started. The first one on my list is Marc Jacobs Daisy. Now this perfume is super duper unique and this is the one which I have recently kind of like tested and tried, and I just fell in love with this profile. This is very different, very unique take on a fruity fresh fragrance. So Daisy perfume की खासियत ये है कि it kind of has like a touch of violet and violet leaves along with some fruitiness and some white florals. Also it has a powderiness. So overall this is kind of like a white floral, violet floral combination with some ozonic notes in this. Super unique, like has a beautiful kind of like a zesty fruity juicy opening, also has strawberry, and then it just has this violet leaf, violet, white florals and musk. Very fresh, very uplifting, and has a hint of that green leafy sap to this fragrance, which makes it super unique. This is my first recommendation from fresh fruity floral category and absolutely love this one. My second recommendation is from Dior. This one is Dior J'adore. Now this is an addictive fragrance, you guys. It has a very bright fruity juicy opening, like pear, orange, so many fruits together. Like I'll just keep the notes structure here. You can see so many fruits. It's like a complete fruit salad mixed with a lot of florals. Even florals, it has so many floral notes like tuberose, jasmine, orchid, violet. So many things combined together into a very beautiful, again, a white floral dominating fresh fragrance. This is long lasting and this is very magical in its way. Out of the 5 perfumes that I'm showing you, J'adore is the most periwinkle, very fairy tale like fragrance. This just feels like a fairy godmother would wear something like this, something very magical about this perfume. This is such a gorgeous fragrance and something that you can wear to office as well as you can wear like on special occasions like birthdays and stuff. This is a very, it makes you feel very good about yourself. This is that kind of a perfume, if I may say so. One of the best platinum perfumes in the floral category. You do not want to miss on this one. My third pick is a relative simple fragrance. This one is Bombshell Wild Flowers. This one is a dupe to Victoria's Secret's Bombshell Wildflower. This is a very simple very lotus rose watery aqua kind of a fragrance. If you are looking for a simple, a very straightforward, a soft romantic fragrance with very minimal very minimal note structure and something that is very simple and straightforward, this is the perfume to go for. If you are if you are someone who's just starting your perfume journey and you want a very delicate floral fragrance, I think this is one of the best recommendations. You can see the dent that I have given to this perfume. It's quite loved perfume because this is a very easy reach sort of a fragrance for me. Like every now and then I'll just spray this in layering in different combinations and I'll be good to go. I also carry this in my purse many times because this is a kind of fragrance which is very non-offensive. It's a very people pleaser yet non-offensive and kind of like a very easy reach fragrance for me. So this is something that I carry most of the time. I think in this month itself I'm going to finish off this one and maybe we get a backup bottle for this one. I really enjoy this one a lot just because it is simple and it is very straightforward. The fourth one is from Gucci. This one is Gucci Flora Gorgeous Gardenia. This is again a recent discovery for me, and again this one is super impressive. This has an opening of fresh red berries and mandarin orange, tanginess and very like berry forward kind of an opening to it. Then it has again white florals but with a touch of yellow florals as well. Like it has this touch of Firangipani to it, which just kind of enhances this complete fragrance. Very fresh, very uplifting, very sunshine in a bottle kind of a fragrance. And of course the gardenia note is super prominent in this one. Then it has some patchouli and brown sugar which just adds in that earthiness and it adds a sweetness to this fragrance. So the berries, the sweetness, the floral elements just makes it a very cohesive and a very complete sort of a fragrance. In terms of notes breakdown, this is one of the main notes breakdown structure for it, and this is one of my favorite breakdowns because it's a very wholesome kind of a fragrance, and again a very sophisticated, a very beautiful, a very feminine, elegant kind of a fragrance. Perfect office wear. I enjoy this so much, but you really need to like gardenia and white florals for you to enjoy the goodness of this fragrance. So the next and the last recommendation is Versace's Bright Crystal Absolute, and this perfume is for those who don't like white florals or rose but they still want to have the goodness of floral fragrance. This one has pink and white floral combination with some fruitiness to it. It kind of opens up with pomegranate note which just brings in a beautiful touch in this fragrance along with yuzu lemon. So it has some tartness and some richness and juiciness of pomegranate mixed with notes like magnolia, lotus, peony, like very pink white floral, and then has some woodiness to it. So very different take on a floral fragrance again. And this is for those, especially those who like that watered down floral fragrances. This also has this peculiar aquatic note. So just imagine a bouquet of pink and white flowers which is kept in a vase, and it has some water, and you can like get all the elements of water, stem, leaf, the pink and white florals, and just that aura that it creates. So this is everything of that in a bottle. Again, a very gorgeous and a very unique take on fresh floral fruity fragrance. So guys, that was my consolidated list of fruity floral fresh category fragrances from Platinum Perfumes. So I have reviewed a lot of fragrances from Platinum Perfumes. That's why I didn't go too long with each and every perfume here. So I'm just trying to compile some lists for you guys and bring forward the best in each category for you. So I hope that you liked this video. If you did, hit the like button. Do subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification, follow me on Instagram, and I'm gonna see you very soon in my next video. Bye.